Hello, in this video we will talk about the eVAL certificate generator. Here we will discuss how to create a certificate for NCC exams using VIR Softex eVAL certificate generator. After installing the software, you can open on the software that will open a window where the first item that you need to select is Army, Air Force, or Navy, depending on which branch requires the certificate. In the next section, you have to select the hierarchy of the certificates among Certificate A, Certificate B, or Certificate C. Next, select the year. After this, you need to add the cadet images. Click on the three dots next to browse the cadet image folder. Select the folder where the images are saved. Make sure the images of the cadets are saved by their regiment number and in JPEG format. Next, you need to add the cadet report. Click on the three dots next to the Select Cadet Reports section and select the folder where the cadet reports are saved. Next, enter the place and date that will be added to the certificate. Click on the Generate Combined PDF checkbox and then you need to select the output folder where the certificate will be saved. Then, click on the Generate Certificate button, after which the certificate will be saved in the selected folder. In case you want to add a digital signature to the certificate, unselect the Generate Combined PDF checkbox and select the Apply Digital Signature checkbox. Next, select the digital signature source, after which you need to select the source path by clicking on the three dots below. Select the digital signature setup by going to C Drive and click on Windows System 32 Signature 11 DLL. Enter the password in case it is applicable and then click on the Generate Certificate button. Go to the folder where the certificate is saved and check if the digital signature has appeared on the certificate.
In case you have missed out on adding the signature to the certificate, you can do so by using the eVAL certificate signature. Open the software, and the first thing to select is the certificate type among certificates A, B, and C. If you choose certificate A, you can only add the unit signature. If you choose certificate B, you can add a unit signature and a group signature. If you choose certificate C, you can add the unit signature, group signature, and directorate signature. So, first select the certificate type, for example, Certificate A. Next, select the level of signature, which is unit signature. Then, click on the three dots button next to the Browse Folder button and select the folder where the certificate has been saved. Next, select the output folder where the certificate will be saved once the signature has been added. Under this, you have to select the digital signature source, which is the dongle. Then, select the library path we showed you earlier in the video. Enter the password and make sure that the Show Signature Description box is checked in and then click on the Sign Certificate button. Check the certificate for the signature, which you will find in the bottom left corner. In case you need all three types of signatures, you will have to add them one by one.